We're getting some updates on the big question that is on everyone's mind. Exactly what happens to the Asia Cup trophy? When is it coming to India? Remember, there's an ACC meeting that has taken place in Dubai earlier today, and sources are now informing us that India has registered its protest in the ACC meeting about the attitude of Mohsin Naqvi. India and other board members have made sure that Naqvi said congratulations to Team India. Rajiv Shukla and Ashish Shelar are the representatives of the BCCI or India as far as the ACC is concerned. They've demanded that Naqvi immediately submit the Asia Cup trophy to the ACC headquarters. Remember, we brought to you last night how the BCCI is saying that the trophy was not only not allowed to be presented to the Indian team, it was also taken away in personal possession by Mohsin Naqvi. Now, he's not really authorized to do anything like that, but he did so, and that's the big question that has been posed in the meeting today as well. Let's go across to my colleague Payal Mehta, who's also joining us. But remember, we brought to you last evening how this meeting is going to be crucial for India as far as demanding that trophy is concerned. That has happened. BCCI formally has said so. That trophy needs to come back to India. It needs to be couriered to the BCCI headquarters. But first, Mohsin Naqvi has to let go of it. Let's go across to my colleague Payal Mehta, who's also joining us. Payal, so India, as expecting, registering a strong protest at the actions of Mohsin Naqvi, who has just, completely hijacked the trophy since the final.
Well, Pakistan has stooped to its lowest best that we have really seen, and India, in fact, registering its protest, clearly telling Pakistan that though they had no business to carry the cup with them back to the hotel, they should have left it at the council's office, which they've not done. This is not the end of it, Shivani. They've told the PCB chief very
Payal, could you reconnect your audio, please? We're not getting your audio. Okay. What we do know, and we brought you this last evening itself, that BCCI has informed us that PCB chief Mohsin Naqvi has taken personal possession of this trophy. This is what they had said, that he's taken personal possession of the trophy and that the Asia Cup trophy has not been kept at the Asian Cricket Council headquarters in Dubai. Mohsin Naqvi is alleged to have taken it to his hotel, apparently. He's not the personal custodian of the Asia Cup trophy. That's what the BCCI said. And they also said further that if Naqvi doesn't respond favorably to their formal request in this ACC meeting to hand over this trophy duly to the BCCI, then further action will be taken very, very soon. Let's go across to Payal, who's joining us. Yes, Payal, continue.
Shivani, what I was saying is that they've registered their protest very clearly and told the ACB chief, the HCC chief, that this is not the way to do it. So, in fact, member nations have given to understand also supported India's demand. Having said that, the Indian side has made it very, very clear to them that irrespective, the behavior of Pakistan was not acceptable, and they will be raising this matter with the ICC, that is in the meeting which is going to happen in November. But most importantly, Rajiv Shukla was very, very clear in saying that this is not the conduct of what the top officials of any council should be really doing. And also the fact that Ashish Shelar, who's also a member of the BCCI and also a member of the Asian Cricket Council, was so angry that he actually quit the meeting midway in protest, registering the fact that India and the Indians are very, very upset. The Indian side should have been handed over the cup. It was for them to celebrate that night and not for the losing side to really celebrate. So India making it very, very clear that they will not take these things lying down. They've sent a strong message to Mohsin Khan and to the Pakistan cricket side that they will be registering their protest effectively with ICC. We were given to understand in the month of November, Shivani, there's another meeting which will take place where India will very strongly register its protest.
Well, we'll track more of, what is the response officially that the ACC will give. But because certainly the head alone cannot be allowed to hijack either the trophy or the decision-making of the body. And certainly other board members, ACC has as many as 30 members, but other members of the ACC will also put their foot down because what has transpired by way of actions of Mohsin Naqvi is absolutely out of line. Even if India did not want that trophy to be presented by him, it should have been allowed to be presented by somebody else. There are precedents to it. And secondly, he cannot just take away the trophy away with him. Payal, just stay with me. I just want to quickly play out an excerpt of a conversation I had with BCCI Secretary Devajit Saikia, who's basically lambasting Mohsin Naqvi for the conduct, for his personal conduct on this issue.
So the protocol and procedure is nothing is there in written because this is a situation which is not contemplated in any of the protocols or any of the regulations. This is this is one of the million case, one out of a million case. So this thing was never contemplated in any regulations. But whatever is done, this is not in the spirit of the game, because the trophy, even if we have not taken it from him, it should remain with the office, and office should have sent it to us.
So the
Without
ACC should send it to BCCI now, isn't it?
Absolutely, yes. That is the norm. That is the under common application of law, that a trophy belongs to it. I am not taking it at the right moment, at the delivery point. But it has to come to us. They should courier it to us.
So
Or our team is still available in Dubai, so they can hand it over through a official of the ACC.
but they're not
that
doing
does
so.
not mean they are not doing, and how can he keep custody of the trophy? He just have to deliver the trophy in the presentation. His role was very limited. The person from ACC will present it on a platter to him, and he will have to just hand it over to our captain. But that does, when it was given to him on a platter, that doesn't mean it was given to him. He was just a facilitator
Yes.
of the transfer. So my view is very clear that he is not the owner and he cannot be the custodian of the trophy.
So in tomorrow's meeting then, if it happens, you will raise this issue of when is
raise this
BCCI
issue.
getting the trophy?
Yeah. Yes, we'll raise the issue that the ACC chairman is not handing over not allowing the trophy to be given to India. He has taken, and it is in his personal custody, which is not permissible under any provisions of the ACC's regulation.
So, Payal, BCCI are really fuming at not just what happened as far as their request for the trophy to be handed out by somebody else is concerned, but also the personal conduct of Mohsin Naqvi. And I think there might well be grounds to, vote him out. He has a 2-year tenure that started earlier this year, but this behavior cannot be tolerated.
Well, in fact, Shivani, that is going to be one of the demands that India will put forth in that meeting in November with the ICC, clearly saying that this is not the conduct of a person holding an office, of the Asian Cricket Council. This is not how it should be. It should be, in fact, irrespective of what his political affiliation really is. But we do understand Mohsin Naqvi is tripling up. He's not only the PCB chief or the ACC chief, but he's also the Interior Minister of Pakistan. Somebody who was responsible, for whatever Pakistan's action was, in fact, to trouble India. That's been something which has been there as well. And look at his agenda throughout. When they first complained that Surya Kumar Yadav and the Indian side did not shake hands with them, they went crying foul to the ICC. The ICC gave them an opportunity to clear the grounds with, Andy Pycroft, because they were squarely blaming Andy Pycroft. And what did the Pakistani side do? The PCB chief was very much part of that meeting, if I remember very clearly. They shot the meeting. They did not have the permission to shoot the meeting. That is the players' area where you're not allowed to shoot the meetings. But they shot the meeting. They released a video in the Pakistani media, tried to create a narrative saying that Mr. Pycroft has said sorry, but Mr. Pycroft had only said sorry if there was any misunderstanding. And the ICC has been very, very angry with what they've done. And if you remember very clearly, the CEO of ICC has in fact written to the Pakistani side, asking questions of them as to why they shot the video and what did they intend to do with the video, and why did they circulate it in the media. So that is something which, of course, the Pakistani side has been doing. Their intentions have been wrong from the very, very beginning. India has been a very, very cool and calm customer. Our players do not misbehave with anybody. Our players do not take it too far as well. They made their intention very, very clear. And some sides of the Pakistanis are saying that the Indian side shook hands with them after a press conference. If you look at the video, that is certainly not true. You can actually see Surya Kumar Yadav royally ignoring the Pakistani cricketers and moving aside and doing what was required for them as well. Their patriotism being questioned is something which is also being done domestically. But having said that, the Indians conducted themselves just the way they needed to. They had taken a decision that they will not interact with the Pakistani side. They will not, in fact, shake hands with them. And nobody can force you to shake hands with somebody when you don't really want to. It's a convention which could have been broken, but there is no rule which has been broken as well. Surya Kumar Yadav, of course, has attracted a 30% penalty for having mentioned the Pahalgam victims as well. But, so be it, because he says that, for him, anything else doesn't matter. Money is the least of their concern. Their country and the country's interests matter the most as well. So even when he was announcing on the last day, Shivani, when he said that all my match fees will go to the victims of Pahalgam, he was being very careful. He said, I hope nobody turns this into a controversy.
Right. Payal, appreciate you joining us. We're bringing you the latest as far as BCCI's efforts to get that trophy back is concerned. So this was the pre-scheduled meeting of the ACC that was supposed to be held today, well before the final and all these events transpired. And this was the first opportunity BCCI got to formally say this trophy needs to be sent back to us. Devajit Saikia, who spoke to me earlier, had said that they can courier it to us. In fact, he said our representatives are still there in Dubai. Why don't they just hand it over? He alleged that Mohsin Naqvi has taken it away. He has not even kept it at the ACC headquarters, and he has kind of hijacked it personally, but he's not a personal custodian of this trophy. Mohsin Naqvi certainly will have to mend his ways and hand over that trophy quickly to India. Speaking of the Indian team and the performance they had as far as the Asia Cup is concerned, the teammates are coming back. Many of them are already starting their next assignments. But listen to what the star of the final, Tilak Varma, had to say after coming to India.
सूर्य भाई ने बोला है कि कुछ कंपटीशन नहीं है, मैं भी उस बात में एग्री करता हूँ, मगर एज ए स्पोर्ट भी नो मतलब हमेशा प्लान चेंज करते रहते हैं, हार्ड आते हैं, जैसे बोला है मैं कि हर मैच में स्ट्रैटेजी चेंज होगा, वो लोग भी प्रिपेयर होके आएंगे, तो हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट किए थे जो भी करूँगा मैं कुछ भी करूँगा पूरा देश के लिए पूरा जान दे दूँगा, तो वही दिमाग में चल रहा था। तो उस समय मेरे को क्या क्या ज़रूरत है, अगर मैं प्रेशर में आ गया तो देश को नीचे करूँगा, खुद को नहीं देश को, और इतना 140 करोड़ लोग सब लोगों को मैं नीचे कर रहा हूँ, तो वो सबको मैं लेकर जाने के लिए मेरे खुद को उस समय काम रहना, जो बेसिक्स बचपन से मैंने सीखा हूँ, मेरा जो कोचेस है बचपन से मेरे को ये आदत की है, तो मैं वो सब चीज़ काम रह के दिमाग में सोचा और एग्जीक्यूट किया। हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि मेरे को मैचेस जिताना है, तो मैचेस जिताने के लिए बोलने के लिए आसान है, मगर उस समय क्या क्या ज़रूरत है ये सब चीज़ मैंने बोला है, काम रहना है, बेसिक्स को फॉलो करना है, ज़्यादा जवाब नहीं देना है, तो मैच के बाद मैंने जो भी बोलना है अच्छे से बोला है, मगर मैच के बीच में नहीं बोला है। हुआ था बहुत कुछ हुआ था, मैं अभी वो कैमरे में नहीं बता सकता हूँ, चलते रहता है बैट्समैन और बॉलर के पीछे, और खासियत इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच में तो बहुत चलता है, तो वो सब पार्ट ऑफ द गेम है, चलता है, मगर जैसे मैंने बोला है कि गेम के बीच में करने का थोड़ा बहुत होता है, वो बोल लिए हम लोग, मगर जो असली रिप्लाई होता है जब मैच जीत के बैट से जवाब सबसे अच्छा है। जैसा अभी मेरा नाम है तो सब लोग जानते हैं तिलक वर्मा बोल के, जब जो तिलक वर्मा कुछ नहीं था, जब बचपन से मैंने स्टार्ट किया है, मेरे कोचेस ही मेरे साथ में हैं, बचपन से मेरे साथ है, सलाम भाई सर और पृथ्वी भाई भी मेरे साथ हमेशा बचपन से है, और मैंने स्टार्ट किया लीगला क्रिकेट एकेडमी में, इधर ही स्टार्ट किया, और हमेशा मेरा जब भी मुझे अप्स एंड डाउन्स गेम में तो आते रहते हैं, तो मेरे को जैसा है कि मेरे को हमेशा कॉन्फिडेंस आता है, जब भी मैं इधर प्रैक्टिस के लिए आता हूँ वही मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस आता है, खुद ब खुद जैसा मैं ये मट्टी में आऊँगा तो कॉन्फिडेंस मेरे को हमेशा आता है। जैसे मैं एक ही चीज़ बोल सकते हैं इन दोनों के लिए कि मेरे लिए ये दोनों सब कुछ है और सब चीज़ की है, और मैं स्पेशल थैंक्स टू हैदराबाद क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन एंड BCCI फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी।
Time for a very short break, but stay with us. News and updates and that special interview with another Indian athletic star, Sheetal Devi, is coming up.